Today I'd like to give you some instructions for acquiring PHStat software and also for downloading files. There is on Blackboard a place that you can go, and I've already got the link up for that under course materials. And so if you open up the internet, go to Blackboard, and my site probably looks a little different than yours, but I'm going to log in and then show you where the file is at and how to download it. You will be going to the Pearson website, and let's see if I can get to our course. So this information is under course materials, and here's the link. So there is the Pearson link, and you just basically click on this and it opens up the Pearson website, and this is all the textbooks posted or published written by Levine et al. And you'll see Levine's very busy with statistics, and it's down a ways. And this is our book, Statistics for Managers Using Microsoft Excel. It's the 8th edition, and you will go to the student download page. Under the student download page, first of all, there is the download the Excel data workbooks. This you want to download. Just click on it. Just click on it, and it pops up down here at the bottom, and then you will just unzip that file. I would recommend that if you're using a laptop and you'll be using it all semester, that you just save it to your laptop. If you're going to a computer lab or somewhere else other than your own computer, then I would suggest that you save it probably to a USB file so that you'll have it handy. Anyway, that's how you get there. The other thing that you'll want to do is, I'm going to go ahead and X out of that. I don't really want it. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to download PHStat. And to do that, you are going to go to the PHStat download page. And you should have, when you purchase the textbook, have received an access code. So if you have the access code, you can go here and you can then do it. And if you didn't have it, you can purchase it with a credit card. And so you just follow the instructions, and then you register and download. So here it is. I can't remember. I think it costs like $10 to buy it if you didn't get the access code. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thank you.